Hello students, good morning everyone. Can you all see this image? Yes, this is the images of many trees. Did you like trees? What are the uses of trees? Can you say? Yes, very good children. There are so many uses of trees. The importance of trees are it removes carbon dioxide, reduces soil erosion, provides us fruit, provides medicine, cools our houses, and so on. So, let's we save trees and do not cut down a life. Is it clear to you? Today, we are going to see about trees by Sarah Coleridge. Did you got your books? Okay, those who got your books, kindly turn to page number 125. Okay children, now I am going to read out only first 4 lines of this poem and I am going to explain about first 4 lines. Please listen carefully. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. These are the first 4 lines from this memory poem. Okay, now I am going to explain it to you. Can you all see this image? Can you name the tree? Yes, very good. This is the banyan tree. The banyan is the largest of trees. Largest means very big. Biggest tree is the banyan tree. So, first line of memory poem is the banyan is the largest of trees. Can you all see this image? See how large the banyan tree is. It has so many branches and roots. Okay. Did you play by using this tree? Yes, very good. Okay children. So first line is the banyan is the largest of trees. Largest means very big. I am just revising it again. Okay children. So come, let's move on to our second line of the poem. Before going into second line of this poem, can you all see this image? What is the name of this tree? Yes, very good. The name of the tree is pupil. The pupil quivers in the breeze. Pupil quivers. Pupil is the name of a tree. You can see it in many temples and also in our villages. Okay children, it is a very big tree. So, leaves of the pupil tree quivers in the breeze. Quivers means shakes. Okay children, this is your second line from trees memory poem. The pupil quivers in the breeze. Is it clear to you? When breeze blows, the leaves of the pupil tree shakes very well. So that the poet said, the pupil quivers in the breeze. Already we learnt importance of trees in your second prose when the trees walked. Is it clear to you? Grandfather explains the importance of the trees in this prose. Is it? So that this is your another poem which tells you the importance of trees. And by growing trees, we can save our earth. This is your memory poem children. So please listen carefully. Okay, come let's move on to our third line of the poem. This is very familiar tree. Yes, this is a coconut tree. The coconut grows up straight and tall. How does the coconut grows up? It grows up very straight and also tall. Tall means very high, sky high. It is sky high. It is a very tall tree and also it grows straight. It doesn't have any branches. Coconut tree doesn't have any branches. It grows up very straight and also grows up very tall. That's why this line is the coconut grows up straight and tall. This is your third line of the poem. How many of you like coconut trees? Did you like tender coconut? Okay, fine. We move on to fourth line of this poem. Can you all see this tree again? This is a very important tree. It has so much of medical qualities in it. This is a neem tree. The neem tree's fruits are very small. Naturally, neem trees has so much of medical qualities in it. It is very useful for us. The poet described about the fruits of the neem trees. How does this fruit of the neem tree? The neem tree's fruits are very small. These are the first 4 lines from your poem. I hope this is clear to you, children. Now we move on to next 4 lines of this memory poem, children. Listen carefully, children. Anyone can name the tree? Yes, this is a tamarind tree. It is very big in size, right? The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. It gives us shade. Shade means darkness. It gives us a shade, right? The tamarind tree. Did you like to eat the raw tamarind? Mostly we can see this tree in village side. See in third image, in third picture, many of them are playing under the shade of tamarind tree, and some of the animals also taking rest. These are some of the uses of trees in common, but in tamarind tree it gives us a very nice shade. Very nice. Pleasant means very nice. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. And now we move on to next line. Can you see these images? Yes, in this image, poet describes about the date's leaf. How does the date's leaf look like? The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. How she is comparing? Listen. She is comparing the date's leaf with the sharpness of the blade. So, this date's leaf is very sharp as a blade. Is it clear to you? This is your 6th line from your poem, children. Please listen carefully and do response for your homework. Your 6th line from your memory poem is, the date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. Here poet is comparing date's leaf with the blade. Okay, children? So, where does the date's tree grow usually? Yes, very good. It can grow only in desert places. Okay, children? Now we move on to next line. This is your 7th line. Okay, children, listen. What is this tree? This is a teak wood tree. Teak wood. Most of the furnitures are made use of teak tree. Okay, children? So that 7th line is, teak tree gives us useful wood. By using wood means timber. By using wood, we can make furnitures like your school benches and chairs and also doors. These are made up of wood. So that teak tree gives us useful wood. And this is your last but not the least line. The mango gives us food that is good. How does the mango taste? Yes, mango is very sweet in taste, is it? So, mango gives us a very healthy food, because fruit is one of the healthy food. So, mango gives us food that is very good. Did you all like to eat mango during mango seasons? Okay, fine, kids. This is your last lines. As of now, I covered 8 lines of your memory poem. Today, your assignment is, you are going to read out all the 8 lines. Read, record and send it to me. No need to write any poem or poem question answers. Today, your work is very simple. Please do it correctly, children. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. Please read, record and send it to me. This is your today's assignment. Thank you.